Welcome back, guys. As you can see, we have a mystery box again. This is a ThredUp mystery box. There's supposed to be 25 pieces of women's clothing, I think it is.
Which is why I'm here.
Don't even know the sizes either. So we paid $60 for the box. So it's equivalent to about $2.54 or something like that per piece of clothing. But that is why she is here. I do not know women's clothing, and I've said it previously, I don't like women's clothing. But hey, we like mystery boxes, so let's see what we got here.
I'm not much of a clothing connoisseur either. I shop mostly at Old Navy, but let's see what we can find here.
And we've seen people get some good stuff out of these boxes, but we've also seen some duds also. Veronica has done these boxes before. Go check out her channel if you haven't already. She does some of these openings too. We were going to do a live video, but we decided not to.
So why are these items in this box?
I don't even know. I think it might have been stuff they couldn't sell. Maybe.
Okay, this box
here, you put your hands back.
So we have
nicely. Ooh.
So hold on. So
could there be stuff for me?
we love helping. Send a quick. Oh, that's it. Okay, so this is the rescue box of mixed clothing. $60. I ordered on July 24th. Today is August 5th, I think. So it came in fairly fast. But yeah, it's got some nice tissue paper here.
No, right here. We want it to stay nice.
So let's see what we got. Let's see what the first piece. Everybody knows I love these in this house because I use them for shipping. So, okay. So
that's the only problem. We can't pop.
I don't even know what I'm looking at so far, but wow.
Wait, this is all kind of tied together here.
Yeah, Mom's a pro with this. I'm just gonna leave her to it. So there. Oh,
this looks like a tunic of some sort. A really heavy.
Yeah, it's really big.
Like wool. This could be hot.
Yeah, you
with
guys
real
should.
wide sleeves.
This
like
could be used.
sleeves.
And there might be some stuff. And there honestly might be something wrong with some of this stuff, like maybe the tag's missing. I'm not sure though.
Or you can use this in the winter. This is really good for the winter.
Okay, you like it?
So what size is that?
It doesn't have a size on it.
So that could be another reason why it's in this
It might
box.
be a one-size-fits-all type thing because it's like a tunic, but it would be huge on
The next thing we have is some jean shorts that are cut, whatever.
Oh, you're very distressed.
It is the brand Altered State, size 2. I don't even know how. Is that a women's size?
28.7. These are like European sizes.
Okay.
European, like people.
I don't know how we're doing, so please comment down below if you know any of this stuff.
Cool? Is this not cool?
Yeah,
you
so
do this
you guys
piece.
can help us to figure this thing out.
Okay, and make sure you mention what brand too.
Oh my, that's cute. That's like,
This is Rochelle Parcel.
that's cute.
Rachel Parcel, Rochelle Parcel.
It's kind of nice though. You make sure you're in the
It's like a
camera.
wedding dress or something.
It's like a summer dress.
Yeah, it's
Mom,
tiered.
Should keep that. That is.
Gathers right here.
I wouldn't have known that.
That would be cute on you, Mom. It looks too big for her.
Yeah, not my style.
But it would look. It looks good on you, but it looks too big.
So the next thing we have is this. It actually brand new. ThredUp tags on it. It is Ramadi.
I like this. I'd wear this.
Well, what is it?
Ramade. It's a medium.
I see something black.
Okay. Interesting.
I like it. I'd wear that.
This is Madewell, extra small, black top.
That's cute.
Pretty, actually really nice, and actually it's really light, so that's kind of stuff I like to ship.
Oh, there's something else down there.
There's a whole bunch in here. It's
There's
25 pieces. Okay,
There's
next
the
we have.
purses.
Oh my.
Oh
There
my.
shouldn't be any purses. We have Lily Pulitzer,
I may have heard of that.
size small, dress.
A drop.
It's actually
Oh, never mind. It's
rubber.
pink. Wow,
You know who wear that?
Size small.
interesting. You get, remember,
That's
you're behind.
cute.
Remember, you're behind the chair, so.
Okay, well I don't want to see it in front.
No, you're okay there. I think you can still see off to the side.
Bright green, like Hawaiian print.
All right, I like that.
I don't know, I feel like this might fit me. Well, usually it's small, but
The one thing I think that might sell so far is a box. Next up, we have a pair of Gap Resolution Perfect Boot 29R pants.
29.
That's what it says. I don't know, they're pretty small though. But they're distressed looking, got some tears in them. I mean, so far I have not noticed anything that's been wrong with these though. Like, have you?
No.
Like, I don't see like any like tears or rips or missing buttons or anything, so. The next thing we have is some Banana Republic size 4. I don't know, it's like a skirt. Like
Yeah, pencil skirt.
pencil skirt.
Oh, I love those things.
Little pinstripes.
Those are cute.
Since you were doing all the heavy stuff, you could do this. 'Cause I don't know what that is either.
That looks like
The winter's coming up, so that's good.
poncho.
Mom's the fashion person.
I would not say that.
Well,
I do like this a lot.
you know
Right.
what? That's
It's a one size fits all.
Well, I can wear.
Brock.
I told her
This
she
is
could
like
keep
a-
whatever she wants out of the box, so.
I might keep this, although this is the type of shirt that I get caught on doorknobs when I walk through doorways. It's
So-
really soft.
So the next
Oh,
thing,
I do
this
like
actually
this.
has a tag still on it from TJ Maxx and from the store. It's Intermix has a TJ Maxx tag of $79.99 and an original price tag of $208. It's an animal print. I don't even.
What
like,
animals?
I don't know. Good question. An avatar maybe.
That makes sense.
Wow. I don't
It's
know
like-
why
it's
this
like
would be
blue.
so
You wanna look-
expensive.
you wanna look that up?
Like a bird.
Unless it's like authentic silk.
You want to look it up?
Look at it.
What's the brand?
I don't know. That's like I gave.
Here.
That is actually
Intermix.
kind of cute.
Wow.
What?
What? Like, is there like, is it silk? You said
Yeah. Silk, blue, and black,
silk shirt.
tank.
This? That
Would you call that a tank?
Yeah.
So we'll have to look that one up. That one could be a good shirt.
What? Caleb, call babe.
Here's-
Okay, you couldn't need that part. You have to
This here is a
You can see it.
Baden
Watch. Look at this.
size 12R.
This
I don't know what you would call this.
one. Look for. You have to look at this. There's a puppy.
Here, you want to show this?
Okay.
No, show. Come
What
on,
is
dude.
this?
I don't know. I really don't.
don't-
I don't know women's clothing.
Mom does. Because she's a woman.
Did you say the size and everything?
Yeah.
It's
That's
a
the cutest.
it's cute dress. Floral. It looks like a teacher dress to me.
It does. Kind of.
Now this is actually, I like this.
Yeah.
It's a Columbia size medium shirt.
Columbia's
It's nice.
Yeah.
Columbia's a good brand, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's pretty expensive if it's new.
I like it.
You like it?
Okay, next up we have, man, I don't, oh, this is, it's a Tari,
Well,
another pencil skirt.
Catching on.
Well, because we just did one. Still has a staple in the tag, in the thing, but I don't know. Tatari, pencil skirt.
she's watching this.
Here's a light blue. Oh, I like this sweater a lot. The brand is Moth. It's a small, just a sky blue sweater that buttons up the back. That is in. I might keep that.
And next we have from Loft.
Loft.
It's something Ann Taylor,
Yeah.
Petites. It's a 2P. I don't think that's gonna fit you. I'm sorry, but
No, probably not.
oh, is that a good brand?
Yeah,
It is.
this looks very worn by somebody that.
Still might sell though. I mean, it does. Just the
like
tag
the
looks
outfit
worn.
dress.
Then we have a pair of pants from Express Design Studio Editor Edition, size 2.
I don't get sizes.
Then we have another, I don't know, I don't know if you call this a pencil skirt or not, but Banana Republic, size 4. Would that be a pencil skirt?
Hold it up so I can see. Yeah, it's a pencil
We
skirt.
got a lot of pencil skirts in this batch. I might become a pro at pencil skirts. Then we have, I mean, that's a pretty cool print. Talbots, size 6. Kind of reminds me of like Woodstock.
Yeah, Talbot's is a higher end.
But then they sell higher end.
I don't know.
Wilfred, size 2. I don't know what this is.
This is. Oh wow. Okay, so it's a romp. Whoa, look. It's a romper halter.
Then you tie in the back.
Oh,
So your feet go in, your legs go in. But
interesting. This is why I don't do women's clothing.
That's actually
why?
Because I don't understand this. Then we have Mother, Don't Sweat It, $105 shirt. Still got the tags on it from Mother.
Feelings.
I don't know about this. You want to show?
That's
You want to show it
weird.
closer? Whoever paid $105 for this.
for this thin T-shirt. Mother.
Don't sweat it.
And it just has a little embroidered.
What does it say on it?
Here.
Mom, what does it say? I'm going to be sure.
Then we have BP. I don't know what that stands for.
We're not going to be
Medium. Tunic sweater. That's huge.
Help her.
Huge.
It's a
This one looks
go
like
go
it's
somewhere else and
maybe-
let's do it then until we're done. We're almost done.
There's a little on the bottom here.
Is it?
You can go in
Then we have HD in Paris. Another like a dress, size 10. Actually pretty nice. I kind of like
Yeah,
that.
it's not as big as the other one. It's like a Hawaiian dress.
It's kind of nice.
Let me see. Here are they.
And then we have an Evelyn and Arthur polka dot sweater. I mean, those are big. This reminds me of Dusty Rhodes in wrestling, what he would wear to the ring.
What?
Just look it up. Dusty Rhodes. Google that.
Wait, is he like a wrestler?
He was. Then we have so I'm gonna let you do this one because I can't pronounce it.
I might not be able to.
Sos. I wanted to say Sosa at first, but
Asos.
Sos.
ASOS.
I don't know.
Another pencil skirt. This one's shorter in the front than it is in the back. Size 8 in the United States.
And then the final thing in this box is a Violet and Claire small shirt.
It's cute.
There's little buttons.
So, $60. I don't know. I feel pretty good about it.
You think you can make that back?
I mean,
and then some?
I hope. But they also have other boxes too. They have handbags, they have shoes. So maybe we'll try one of those other mystery boxes here soon once they go back in stock. Maybe we'll try some, maybe we'll do a handbags and shoe one next time. So, but that is it. This is the box right here. Got some cool little tissue paper I might use to ship some stuff. But that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Remember, hit that bell notification, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Especially these guys are in it this time. They finally made an appearance again, and they're here. But hopefully you guys like the box. If you know anything about the clothes that we just found, please comment below, and I'll let you finish it.
Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking.
Bye.